You finally glad we made it to camp? Yeah. You glad we finally made it to camp? Yeah. What's up, guys? So today we're doing a backpacking trip to, it's gonna be down at the creeks at Charit Creek Lodge, and we're gonna hike in and camp there. Hopefully the island campground there. So anyways, we're at Middle Creek Trailhead now. We have dropped off a vehicle at Charit Creek Lodge Trailhead, so it's gonna be like 7 miles in, a little over a mile out. And we've got Rachel and Nora, Chad Griffin and his son John are coming. And it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a nice weather for hiking today, but a little bit chilly tonight. But I think we're gonna be testing out some new gear, so we'll see if we can stay warm. All right, we'll see you guys on the trail.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So we are about 1.7 miles into our hike here. We just came up on a massive Indian rock house. We're on the Middle Creek Nature Loop, and we're doing good, doing great, feeling great. Weather's perfect for backpacking. Nora's doing good. I think our next stop, Sawmill Trailhead, so possibly, not for sure on that. We'll see. But anyways, just wanted to update you guys, let you know where we were.
To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So we're splitting off the nature loop now, headed towards Sawmill Trailhead, and we've gone 2.6, or according to my National Geographic map, 2.2, and according to the GPS, 3.1. So it's all over the place. But anyways, yeah, making good time. Feels great out here. So anyways, we'll see you guys at Sawmill Trailhead. Okay, just gonna give you guys a quick update on where we're at and what we're doing. We have made it past Sawmill Trailhead. We are now going off on the Slave Falls loop. It's a little detour from our original trail. I think it's like 0.2 in, 0.2 out or something. And I actually got my pack off. Rachel has her pack off. We decided to drop them at the beginning of this trail because we're going to be coming back just to save a little weight. Let's hope nobody takes them. We'll see. But anyways, yeah, we'll see you guys when we get to Slave Falls. Okay, so we made it to Slave Falls, and it is raging today compared to the last time we were here. It's going pretty good. Lots of ice still at the bottom. In the summertime, this waterfall is usually, pretty dry. It's more of a trickle. All the rock houses we've been under have had trickles on them. But so now we are headed to Jake's place. From here, we're gonna head back up, get our packs, head to Jake's place, and probably eat lunch there if I had to guess, and then head on to the lodge from there. So, all right, we will catch you guys on the trail. Okay, we are almost to Needle Arch, 0.1 mile. The Needle Arch. We just got back from Slave Falls, packs on, and we're fixing to come up on Needle Arch, which is like a little bit smaller than the Twin Arches, and it's pretty cool though. Definitely a cool little feature to come out and see. You could do a day hike. You could definitely do a day hike out here and back. That'd be a long day hike, but anyway, yeah, we'll see you guys at probably still won't see you till Jake's place. So Them mints are open. All right, so we're eating lunch here at Needle Point Arch, under the arch. Pretty cool little spot to have lunch. It's about 12:41. Okay, so yeah, right in time for lunch. I'm having tuna, spicy tuna, Girl Scout cookies. Rachel's having apple and peanut butter. What are you guys having? Pepperoni, jalapeno cheese. So this is lunch for today, and then from here we're going to Jake's place. Probably won't hang out there too long, and then on to the lodge for, not to the lodge, to the campground. Close to the lodge, and then get camp set up and some firewood and warm up a little bit. Nice little spot on the creek there. Okay, so we just made it to Jake's place. I think we're about 9 miles or so in for the day. We got about a mile and a half left before we get to the lodge. But we just ran up upon a lot of people camping here at Jake's place. A lot, like the most people I've ever seen, ever. I think it's a Boy Scout troop or maybe like some kind of school field trip or something. Probably Boy Scouts is more likely. But yeah, we're just doing this, walking around here because there's all these people. I want to get a little picture of the sun. And look at this. I'm assuming is a bear bag hanging in the tree. There's Jake's place sign. There's another tent back there on the creek. Here's Jake's place. Old foundation full of rocks and whatnot. Bear bag. There's my crew there. We're fixing to head on to our final destination, which will be our camping spot, hopefully somewhere along a creek or a river, and we'll have a nice babbling brook for the night. All right, we'll see you there. Okay guys, so we're finally done hiking for the day. Finally, we are passed up Charit Creek Lodge. The campsite we desired was gone, or that I was thinking of was gone. And now we came up Twin Arches, towards the Twin Arches a little bit ways. I knew there was a few good spots. It's one of the spots that I had in one of my last videos actually. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna set up camp here. Nice camp spot. Nice fire ring. Creek's running over here to the side. So yeah, we're gonna get set up and then hopefully get some firewood, get a fire going, and get dinner made. It'd be great. You finally glad we made it to camp? Yeah. You glad we finally made it to camp? Yeah. Okay, so we just got camp set up. Camera's acting crazy. I don't know if it's recording or not. Yeah, so we just got camp set up. We got our 2-person 4-season. Really cool. What do you say you could fit in there?
4 easy.
4 comfortably, it looks like. Tent that you can put a stove in, which is really nice. And we're just right off of the Twin Arches trailhead here, which I've already stated. Let's go check out the river, creek. See if I can access it in Crocs without having to have boots. I'm pretty sure I can. It's cold down here by the water. You can feel a difference in the wind coming off of the water versus the wind coming off of the sun. But yeah, we've got about an hour and 15 minutes till dark, hour and 10 minutes till dark or so. I'm gonna filter some water here over this cool little creek. I believe it's Station Camp Creek, maybe Charit Creek, I'm not sure. This is the creek that flows under the Charit Creek Bridge, but yeah, gonna get some water, boil some water, and make us some lasagna. What's up guys? So it's me and Rachel and Nora up here, and Chad and John have gone to bed. Me and Rachel are fixing to go to bed. We just ate all lasagna, chicken and rice,
Hot chocolate.
had some hot chocolate, got our fire going really well, nice and warm. We've had a few embers come off and definitely got some holes in my pants and base layers. Nora's snoozing like a baby. Let's hope she will for the rest of the night. But anyways, yeah, got a nice fire going. I mean, Big South Fork is just full of firewood. Warm, full, feeling good. I think the last we checked the temperature gauge, it was 32. So It's probably gone down a little bit, but by the fire here, we're staying nice and warm. But like I said, we're getting a lot of embers coming our way. The wind has shifted towards us, and the night sky is super clear. We're hoping we can get a good shot of the stars, but maybe not. What's up, guys? Good morning to you. Didn't get to do much filming last night because this thing is very good in the dark, and we don't have any electricity here in the woods in the park here. Just came over to do my morning paperwork, morning business in peace, and by this nice babbling brook, which is also the same stream we're camping beside. But yeah, we are probably about halfway packed up already, fixing to head out, getting an early start on the morning. We're gonna hike out the Charit Creek Trail, so it'll be about 0.8. We hiked into Twin Arches a little ways, like I said last night, so it'll probably be like a little over a mile. But anyways, they probably think I've been lost up here. I've just been enjoying the scenery and the water and all that jazz by myself. This serenity is going to end soon once we get back with the brothers and the sister. So anyways, we will see you guys back on the trail as we head out of here. What's up, guys? We are headed out up the trail. We stopped in at the lodge, talked to Greg and Aubrey for a little bit about the upcoming night hike, and now we're headed up the hill. That's a cool big rock outcropping through here. Got about 0.8 miles to get out of here. I think we've probably done 0.1 or something so far, so we'll see you guys at the top. And here we are at the gravel.
Oh, I bet my hair is nuts.
Yeah, your hair. Ooh,
It is.
tent hair.
This is something mullet hair don't care.
Not mine. Mine looks good. You know what I mean? So, how was your first overnight backpacking trip? Did you have fun? Was it cold? Was it cold? Was it cold? No.
Did you like hiking?
You did? Yeah. Yeah. You like hiking with mommy and daddy? So yeah, I just like being away from the brothers and sisters.
Some peace and quiet
Yeah.
and
Me
attention. All the attention.
You like all the attention? Yeah. You do.
And being carried.
Mommy carrying you. I think that's what she likes, is being on mommy the whole time.
Yeah.
Where are we going next time? Huh? Where are we gonna go next time, huh? Huh? Yeah. So you already getting excited about my next trip? But definitely Big South Florida.